it's Laynie. Welcome to my channel. We have a guest today. I'm so excited. My bestie Alma's here. We're going to be baking with besties today. Making a cheesecake, a keto cheesecake. I have no idea what I'm doing. Do you?
No, I don't.
So, this should be fun. I want to introduce my friend here. We've known each other now for just over a year. We actually met at work. She is a superstar, okay? This lady right here is a mama of 4. She's a rock star. She's a little nervous to be on camera. I can't blame her. It is tough the first time, but we will get through it. She's doing great. I want to let you guys know I got this recipe from Jennifer Vans. I'll link her YouTube video down below. The full recipe will be in her description box, so definitely check that out. The oven preheated to 325 degrees. 1½ cups almond flour, 1/4 cup swerve, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 6 tablespoons butter, 6 packages of cream cheese. Mine might say best by July 2nd, but that's okay. We're cooking it. We'll survive. and then what else do we need? 2 cups swerve, 5 eggs, 8-ounce sour cream, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. But again, I will have her video linked down below with the recipe. Just so you know, you're already recording.
That's okay.
You have the habit of hitting record, not realizing you did, and hitting record and turn.
Okay, so I'm currently recording you saying I'm not recording.
Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Can you see me? I'm hopped up on some iced coffee. Alma's nervous, but we're gonna have a good time today, you guys. We are gonna make the crust. So yeah, come on over. Let's check it out. We need 6 tablespoons of melted butter. 1. Alma, you can keep track of my count here.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, now I'm gonna melt this. Now we need to do 1½ cup almond flour. There's 1 cup. So 1 cup. Now I gotta do 1/2 cup.
Is that good enough, do you think?
Yeah, that's perfect. Works for me. 1/4 cup of confectioner's swerve. And then we have to do 1 teaspoon cinnamon.
Is that a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
Teaspoon. It looks kind of big, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is 1 big teaspoon of table. This is 1 big teaspoon of cinnamon. That seems big.
That is. Does it say teaspoon on there?
Let's mix this up. Alma, you want to pour in the butter?
Sure.
And then we're supposed to mix it up. And then we put it in that springboard. You guys, my friend here, she is the bargain hunter. She knows all the good bargains. The first time I'm ever using this pan. I've had it for several years now. Like 5 years.
I think that surface is pretty non-stick, isn't it? I mean, it's glass.
With this butter, too.
You think it'll be okay?
Yeah. Maybe that's why the butter is there.
I say risk it.
Hopefully. Well, we'll find out. If it turns out terrible, oh well.
We already risked it with the Best Buy cream cheese.
We're good. I'm not even worried about it. Smooth. We are going to put this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes and then we will start on the cheesecake.
I gotta get where I want it.
You're gonna get tired like that.
Okay.
Here, give me the trash.
Oh, she's taking care of my trash. What a good friend. So we got to put all 6 cheeses in there. I should have had a bigger bowl, but this is my biggest bowl I own.
Just means she doesn't bake a lot.
Yeah. Do you have big bowls?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never bake.
But I don't bake a lot either. I only bake around Christmas.
She's going to make me that tres leche cake, and I can't wait. That is not keto.
I think we are baking it together.
It says that I don't add the sugar until after I mix it up. Is it going to fling everywhere?
I think so.
But it looks like it.
That's why I said. Why don't you mush it first, and then you can turn it on.
Alma's going to mother me because I don't know what I'm doing.
You're doing great.
I'm not doing very good.
Looks.
Here, let me.
You look like a pro.
But hopefully you don't get it all over me.
I'm scared. It said I was supposed to keep this out for 2 hours. I didn't do that.
You do it.
Here, you give me the spatula.
You're gonna need the one faster.
Sounds like you're gonna overeat it.
Oh, wow.
Oh no!
That's why I needed to be room temperature.
Oh,
I knew that. This is what happened to the Oreo fluff.
she knew that.
You haven't made too much of a mess.
The Oreo fluff that I did was just like this.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So you may be wondering why you saw this in the background if we weren't using it. I've had this for 5 years. I've never used it, so we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try it.
Now we can bake.
One tablespoon vanilla.
Kind of OCD like Laynie.
Ooh, it looks so creamy. It's pretty. Look how smooth we made this. Teamwork makes the dream work, and a KitchenAid mixer. That's the real thing. You think that's good, or should we scrape more?
Yeah,
It's getting
because
pretty
this is too
full.
much. You're gonna have to.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
What's that? What's they call it? Stamp it down or something like that.
Get the air bubbles out. Be careful. Hopefully it doesn't overcook.
50 minutes, and then we're supposed to check on it. We did make a couple mistakes along the way. Come take a look at this, Tony. Let's show them. It did overflow into the oven. It also broke apart because, okay, if you were doing this at home, don't fill it up as high as we did. That's where we went wrong.
I mean, it kind of looks nice.
Why is it so jiggly? Do you think that's too jiggly?
No, it's supposed to be jiggly.
Okay. She says it's fine. We're supposed to let this chill for 8 hours, but ain't nobody got time for that. This lady's got a life here, okay? Okay, everybody, it's now getting late. We're losing the sunshine, and this girl needs to go to bed. She's been up since 4 in the morning. I told you, she's Superwoman. We took the edges off the cheesecake. I think you really do have to put it in the refrigerator for 8 hours to get the true cheesecake effect. So sadly, we do not have time for that. But we did take the firm edges from the cheesecake, and we're gonna try it.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Tony tried it. He said it was good. That tastes pretty good. It tastes like real cheesecake. You don't like it? No? Not a fan of that? It's not sweet like regular cheesecake.
No.
Definitely the erythritol is not sweet like sugar.
I mean, you can still taste it, that it tastes like a little bit sweet.
It's not
Maybe
very
tomorrow. Oh.
No, I don't think it'll get any
definitely,
sweeter.
If you're used to real cheesecake, I would say it's like 10% as sweet as real cheesecake. It's not sweet.
But it's good.
If you put
Maybe if we put like strawberries on the top or something.
What do you think, Alma?
She loves it.
You do not like it.
I do. I think maybe because it's still a little bit soft.
Mm-hmm.
But tomorrow.
Tomorrow it's probably gonna be bomb with some strawberries on top.
Yeah.
I'm so glad she came to film with us, everybody. Give this video a thumbs up if you like me filming with my bestie. And she did great for her first video because I know that is
I was
really
so nervous.
that is hard to be on camera when you're not used to it. It takes a very long time. Tony, you know that.
Yep, still not used to it.
The erythritol is nowhere near as sweet as regular sugar. And she brought up a good idea, monk fruit.
Mm-hmm.
I think that would be sweeter. I think
Yeah.
it is more powerful. So definitely something to consider in the future. And yeah, that's everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really trying to switch it up and do not just makeup on my channel. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, you should.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
That's right. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.